Good morning, girls. So far, we have learned about different laws of indices in this chapter. Today, we are going to learn about square and square roots. Now, in the earlier class, we already learned that a square of a number is said when the index is 2. For example, 5 raised to 2 is read as 5 square. So what is the answer? What is the value of 5 raised to 2 or 5 square? It is 5 into 5. The answer is 25. So I can read this as square of 5 is 25. But this can be read the other way around. That is, the square root of 25 is 5. Now the symbol of square root is as shown on the screen. So I can simply write it as square root of 25 is equal to 5. Now let's look at similar examples. 7 square. 7 to 7 is 49. So 7 square is equal to 49. That means square root of 49 is equal to 7. In the similar manner, minus 7 square is equal to 49 again, because 7 into 7 is 49 and minus into minus is plus. So square root of 49 here is minus 7. So if when you clearly see this, 49 has two square roots. One is positive and the other one is negative. So every positive number has two square roots. One is a negative square root, which we write as minus square root x, and the other one is positive square root, which we write as square root x. Now finding square root by factorization method. Now when the numbers are small, for example in the previous example I gave an example of 49 and 36, those numbers are quite small, so it becomes easier to find the square root. But when the numbers are large or bigger, it becomes hard. The best way to do is use factorization method. Now you have already learned factorization method, that is prime factorization method, in the chapter HCF and LCM. So there were two ways of solving. One is the vertical solving, the other one is a horizontal solving. So we will look at both the ways of solving. Starting with horizontal method. So I'm giving an example of 144. 144 can be written as 2 into 72. I write 2 as it is. 72 can be written as 2 into 36. 2 into 2 I write as it is. 36 can be written as 2 into 18. I write 2 into 2 into 2 as it is, and 18 can be written as 2 into 9, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So as you can see, I have all prime numbers down there in my last step. So I can say that 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now pair up the numbers, pair up similar numbers. For example, 2 and 2, again you have 2 and 2, and 3 and 3. Now when I'm writing the square root, that is square root of 144, the pairs that we have made, we will be writing those numbers just once. That is 2 into 2 into 3. So square root of 144 is equal to 12. So this is the horizontal method of solving, horizontal factorization method of solving a sum where you have to find the square root. Now using the vertical method. When I'm using the vertical method, you know the pattern of solving it. So I will use the prime number, the least prime number, that is 2. 2 72s are 144. Again, 2 36 are 72. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now write all the prime factors that you just found. So 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Pair it up. So 2 and 2 together, 2 and 2 together, 3 and 3 together. Writing the pairs only once for the square root. So square root of 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 12. So these are the two ways of solving using factorization method. Now it is all up to you which method you would like to follow. So let's solve few more sums based on the factorization method to find the square root. Practice set 30. Question, find the square root. So the first one is 625. 625 can be written as 5 into 125. Write 5 as it is. 125 can be written as 5 into 25. 5 into 5 I'll write as it is, and 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So as you can see, all my numbers are prime numbers. So 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Pair it up. 5 and 5 together, 5 and 5 together. So square root of 625 is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. Let's look at the next sum, that is 1089. So I'm using the vertical method here. So 1089 will not go in 2 times table. So the next prime number is 3. 363's are 1089. Again it goes in 3 times table. 121's are 363. Again you have 11 times table here. 11's are 121 and 11 ones are 11. So I write the factors in the horizontal way, that is 1089 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. Pair it up, 3 and 3 together, 11 and 11 together. So square root of 1089 is equal to 3 into 11, that is 33. So these are the two ways, one is horizontal and the other one is vertical. It is completely dependent on you which method you would like to follow. But if in the question they have specifically asked for a particular method, then you need to follow that method. So it is the best way is to know both the methods and understand both the methods. So I have solved 2 sums in this practice set. The remaining sums I'm giving as homework. You can use any method, horizontal or vertical, whichever you're comfortable with. Thank you, girls. I hope you have understood each and every concept in this chapter. With this, we finish with this chapter. Do all your homeworks, solve more sums, and try to understand every concept in a better way. Thank you and have a good day.